Welcome to today's video. You know that local Google searches drive sales. So how do you actually determine where you're ranking, what you're ranking for each keyword? Today, I'm going to show you my favorite local Google search ranker report. It's super affordable, super cheap. I'm going to give you a quick overview of how to use it, what everything means. By the end of this video, you're going to be able to use this report to quickly and easily generate reports about your business and understand exactly how you're ranking in Google so that you can keep growing those results and thus growing in sales for your business. So let's jump in and get started. My favorite Google search ranking report is by a company called Brightlocal. And basically they create a report that lets you see everything clearly and consistently about the exact search terms that you're interested in for your business. So let me just scroll down here and show you this. With this report, I get a quick summary that shows me my average Google position for all the keywords that I'm interested in. And then they actually break it down for me across Google search results, Google mobile, and then Google Maps. So what I mean by that, let's just take a keyword as an example. If I search for farm store near me, right? That's going to be a common search, especially if we're talking about local businesses. Let's just see, cooperate, farm store near me. Great. So if I search for that, I'm going to get this 3-pack of results, right? That's what's called the 3-pack. And those are actually generated by the Maps results. So it's going to tell me in this part of the report how I'm trending for Google Maps. So you can see my Maps results aren't going to be consistent with just what's in general in Google, both on mobile and on the laptop. So I'm on a laptop version now, but you can see here are the then website results that come up. And those aren't going to be the same results as what's right here in the maps, right? So the report gives me quickly and easily a summary, and it's going to give me even more detail than that, a summary and a little line graph I can see to see how I'm trending for both the maps results for my keywords, and then also in the Google search results themselves with my website. I can also see keyword movement and position really quickly and easily. So I can see how many keywords I'm moving up, how many I'm moving down, and then how many have had a change in general, right? And then it'll actually show me the breakdown of that across the different platforms as well, Maps, mobile, or just simple Google results. It'll show me my positional changes, so how many have been gained and how many have been lost. And then it gives me this really nice visual where I can see, okay, just generally speaking, for how many of my keywords that I'm tracking, am I in the first position? Am I in 2 through 5? Am I in 6 through 10? So it gives you, again, this is just visual data to see. And then with your Google local pack coverage, so again, that's here, this is that local pack when a customer does a local search, it tells you where you are in the local pack and then any local pack opportunities too. So let me just hover over this. If you are ever, confused or concerned, want more information, there's all these little info things in the report too. So it's going to tell you this metric tracks how many of your keywords display local packs in organic search results and how many of those local packs you're in. So not every search that's done in Google shows the local pack. So that's important to know. So it's going to say how many show the local pack and then how many you're in when you have the opportunity to be in one of those results too. So as I scroll down through here, then you can see the exact keywords themselves. And again, we're looking at this locally. So you can type in either near or near me, or you can type in the town name. Those things are all helpful, or you can just put in the keyword itself. There's all different things that you maybe are interested in doing and play around with. I typically like to put in the keyword and then near me, just to kind of, that's the typical search somebody's going to do. And we want to be clear about the intent that we're trying to come up with. So if you look farm store, farm supplies, poultry feed, hay, show and feed, bird food, and then for each of these, you can see something very specific here. So when somebody searches for a farm store and they type in near this town in Texas, you can see in Google, this company, the one who's this report is for, this local small business, in the rank checker report, you can see that they are A in the local pack. So that means that they are first right here. That's A. So these are labeled A, B, and C in the report. So you can see that they are A for many of the results. And the reason for that is because, right, when I did my search, both the pack here of companies and then listings of websites both came up. So if I go back over here, you can see that they were A in the pack, and then they were also the first website listed too. Same with the mobile results, A in the pack, and then the first website listed too. So as you scroll through here, maybe you see something like bird food, you can see that they were B in the pack, right? So they were second in that maps pack result. And then they were second in the organic results and third. So if you see two, that's because multiple pages on the website can be ranked, right, as well. So they actually show up twice with two different results in the Google search results. So they have great coverage there for their business as well. There's this nice little tool at the bottom for understanding. So if you ever forget, hey, what does ABC mean? Or what does that number mean? What does the number change? There's this little key here for you as well. So which helps make it one of my favorite local rank checker reports. So again, really simple and easy to use. Then you can go over here to the keyword tracker and you can select a specific keyword that you're interested in, just getting more details. And you can see again, just for that keyword, how is it trended over time? And most of these are doing pretty well. So you can see the trend line is pretty strong, but you can go through these different services and lines and just see, okay, this one trended down, but we're on the way back up for Google Maps. And here's been our ranking in Google and Google Mobile. Just gives you a really nice, quick view of how things are performing. And then over here as well, you can see the aggregate results and a little breakdown over time too. So I think as you get familiar with this report, it's super easy. It's a really nice, local rank checker report. So you can just see your local Google rankings. You can enable Bing with this too. But right now I'm using Google and just checking those rankings there. So it's got a really nice rankings table, really nice summaries of position changes and your reports over time. If you are looking at for a local Google rank checker report, I really recommend this one, not only because it's clean and simple and easy to understand, but also if you take a look at it, the pricing is really fair too. So for only $29 a month, you get access to that and many other SEO tools, but the local rank checker reports, you can run that 3 different times. So it's always a snapshot in time, right? But you can run that 3 different times a month for that $29 a month. Again, along with a bunch of other tools for you and to help support your business on this journey to help improve your rankings and grow sales for your local business. So I think it's a really great report. I'll put the link in down below, click on that, go check it out, see if it's right for you. You can do a free trial as well. And then be sure to subscribe to this channel, like the video, leave me a comment if you do your report, and let me know if you have any questions about what you're looking at.